Well, that's a wrap for this job. I did have to finish up today. I got about 2 packs through today. I started at about roughly 8:30. I started sawing, and I had to get some logs prepared. They weren't all cut up. I had to get the deck loaded and maneuver stuff around, so that took some time yet. But I started at 8:30, and that's when I started the mill. And then I was done by 1:30, and I got about, I'd say probably 700 feet through today. That was live edge slabs, and which wasn't too bad. I had them going pretty good and rolling through. Everything went pretty well. And so I guess it wasn't too bad overall. You know, had to do cutting up logs, and this whole job was probably, I thought it was close to 9,000 feet by the time I'm done, but I just did a rough estimate, and it's probably going to be closer to 7,500 feet. And but yeah, I'm glad I got that wrapped up here. I had some delays in the weather, and I got sick through a day or two, so I couldn't work. And but overall, it went pretty good. And so yeah, we're done now. I'm headed home. And got to be careful not to hit all these buggies out on the road. And we're out here in Holmes County going up the back roads. About around every hill or every turn, there's a bike or a buggy or something going on. Here we go. It's 2 of them right here. Yeah, that's just what I pulled out. So I got to watch out where I'm going and what I'm doing. And the other day, I had one horse come left to center. He was acting up and come left to center, and I happened to get out of his way. That could have been pretty ugly, but we got it done. He didn't hit me, I didn't hit him, so we're good. And here we go again. Yeah. Yeah, they got them white reflectors on the back because it just came into law. They had to have more lights on their buggies. So, until next time, y'all have a good one.